Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, you're definitely welcome. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also click the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. And without wasting more time, let's jump right into the video. So guys, in today's video I'll be doing a first attempt at bleaching the knots on my frontal, and for that I'm going to be using the Frontal bleaching powder and also the Frontal 40 volume developer. The frontal I'm going to be bleaching is a 13 by 4 inches frontal. I'm using a tiny cup and I'm going to take 2 scoops of the bleaching powder and I'm going to put that into my mixing bowl. And once that is gone, I'm also going to pour in my developer. There was no measurements for my bleaching powder. I just made sure I didn't take too much so that my consistency wouldn't be too liquidy. So now I'm going to mix my developer and my bleaching powder together. I obviously need more developer, guys, so I'm going to pour in more into the mixture and hope that this time the consistency comes out right. So guys, I'm done mixing my mixture together and this is the consistency that I'm left with. At this point when I was doing this, I felt the consistency was good enough, but it was too liquidy, so because of that it seeped through the lace front and started bleaching the actual hair and not just the knots, but the damage wasn't so terrible. So guys, right now I'm just applying the mixture onto my lace front. For application, you want to make sure you're using a tapping motion when applying the mixture and not pressing it onto the lace front. Also, make sure you take your time when doing this and you make sure you cover all the areas of your lace frontal. So guys, now that I'm done applying the mixture all over my lace frontal, I'm going to go in with an aluminium foil to cover it up. This will help me speed the process of bleaching the knots on my frontal. I'm going to put my timer on for 15 minutes, and once that is up, I'm going to come back to check on the knots of the frontal to see if they've been bleached. So guys, 15 minutes has gone by and I'm back to check on the frontal to see if the knots have been properly bleached. So right now I'm just taking off the aluminium foil to see what my work looks like. So guys, you can see that the frontal has been bleached. Whenever you see that yellow brownish color, that's how you know it has been bleached. Now I'm going to wash this off and I'm going to go in with my neutralizing shampoo. This will help neutralize the effect of the bleach on the frontal. So guys, once I'm done with this, I'm going to wash it off. Now I'm going in with my purple shampoo to remove the orange color left behind from bleaching my frontal. Once I'm done applying the purple shampoo, I'm going to walk in the lather into my frontal. And after that is done, I'm going to wash it off. So guys, this is what my frontal is looking like after I've applied the neutralizing shampoo and the purple shampoo. As you can see guys, the frontal blends right into my skin. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Let me know guys in the comment section down below if you've ever tried to bleach your frontal or if it's something you do on a regular basis. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Thank you all so much for watching and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.